Problem on same range or height. Example 2. Two balls are projected from the same point at 30 degrees and 60 degrees with respect to the horizontal. Both the balls attain the same height. Find the ratio of velocities of projection, ranges and times of flight. Let us see. As for the projectile 1, theta 1 is 30 degrees, and for the projectile 2, theta 2 is 60 degrees, and both are projected. Let it be initial velocity u1 and let the initial velocity be u2, and the condition here they have given the heights, the maximum heights they have reached are equal. So h max of 1 is equivalent to h max of 2. Therefore, we know that h max is equal to u1 square sine square theta 1 by 2g is equivalent to u2 square sine square theta 2 by 2g, and 2g get cancelled. Therefore, u1 square by u2 square is equivalent to sine square theta 2 by sine square theta 1. Therefore, u1 by u2 whole square is equivalent to sine theta 2 by sine theta 1 whole square. Square get cancelled. Therefore, u1 by u2 is equivalent to sine theta 2 is sine 60 by sine theta 1 is sine 30, which is equivalent to u1 by u2 is equal to sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So u1 by u2 is equivalent to root 3. So we got the ratio of initial velocities of the projectiles. We also need to calculate the ratio of the ranges. That means r1 by r2, which is equivalent to u1 square sine 2 theta by g, 2 theta 1 by g, by u2 square sine 2 theta 2 by g. This is the main by. Therefore, r1 by r2 is equivalent to g get cancelled. u1 square sine 2 into theta 1 is 30. So 2 30 is a 60 by u2 square sine 2 into 60 is 120. Therefore, r1 by r2 can be written as u1 by u2 whole square into sine 60 can be written as root 3 by 2, and sine 20 is nothing but again sine 60, which is also root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 get cancelled. Therefore, r1 by r2 is equivalent to u1 by u2 whole square, whereas u1 by u2 is root 3 whole square, which is equivalent to 3. So the ratio of the ranges will be 3. And we also need to calculate the third parameter, that the ratio of the time of flights, which is nothing but t1 by t2 is equivalent to 2u1 sine theta 1 by g divided by 2u2 sine theta 2 by g, whereas therefore t1 by t2, 2 get cancelled, g get cancelled, u1 by u2 can be written as root 3 sine theta 1 by sine theta 2, whereas sine theta 1 is sine 30, which is 1 by 2, sine theta 2 is sine 60, which is root 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled, root 3 get cancelled, which is 1. Therefore, the ratio of the time of flights will be 1, ratio of the ranges would be 3, and ratio of the initial velocities of the projectile would be root 3.